Joe Beermaster of a 2011 BMW ML350. I'm going to show you how to change the headlight. We have a new one here. The thing with this is you have to slide the bumper off to get it on. And the way you do it is look for all the bolts on the bottom, look for any bolts on the top. And inside here is a slide. Show you the slide. This is the trick. And in here, the slide goes in here. See that little bolt, that pin? That slides on the inside of the cover. Then you slide it over the lip of the fender and the bumper. There's a little screw. I don't know what size it was. And that holds this clamp on. So once you get that screw out that's right there, you slide it off, pivot it off, and then it loosens this part. And then the rest is disassembling everything and loosening it up. So you can recess this bumper cover back and get access to put that headlight in. Alright, so we took all the bolts out of the top, along the bottom, pull the bumper off. Now we have access to all the bolts, and we're going to take it out now. Alright, so there's 3 bolts, one on the inside here, long one. There's another long one up top. And this goes over it. And then there's a short one here. And that's all that holds the light in. You gotta plug the wires in and all that. Yeah. Alright, then it's putting it back the opposite way. Screwing everything back in, putting this clip in, like I showed you. And that's how it's done. You want to make sure it's plugged in and working before you put it together. Yeah. It's a pain in the neck to get this back together. Yep. Joe Beermaster.